Hey friends, welcome back to Yum's Kitchen. Today we're making a mushroom and chestnut Wellington, something that feels a little special but is still easy to make. Here's everything you'll need. Simple ingredients that come together beautifully. We'll start by cooking the mushrooms, chestnuts, shallots, and garlic until everything is deeply flavorful. Once the filling is cooked, we'll add breadcrumbs to help everything hold together and bring the mixture together. Now we'll assemble the Wellington, shaping the filling and wrapping it snugly in the pastry so everything holds together. We'll brush the top lightly with olive oil. A gentle coat helps the pastry turn beautifully golden in the oven. This is one of those dishes that feels warm and thoughtful without being complicated. Perfect for a cozy winter meal. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.